So, good afternoon, students, and welcome back to chemistry class. See, in the previous class, lecture 9, students have solved numericals based on de Broglie wavelength, that is using de Broglie equation, lambda is equal to h by m into c. Okay. Then we also solved some numerical based on calculating energy of photon when wavelength is given, energy of photon when frequency is given. Okay, right. Not only that, even we have solved some more problems calculating regarding when wavelength is given, how to calculate frequency and how to calculate the wave, that is number. Like this in the previous class, just we have solved some 6 numerals. Right now, in continuation, still more problems. As I told you yesterday, we will continue today with the calculating wave number of the especially spectral lines. Right. So the next numerical, that is based on the spectral lines. Right. The question is, calculate the wave number. Calculate the wave number. Calculate the wave number of second line in Balmer series. Balmer series of hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum of an atom. Right? See, calculate the wave number of second line of the Balmer series. Second line of the Balmer series in the hydrogen spectrum of an atom. See, for spectral series, you know the solution. Can use the formula. As I already told you yesterday, mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by 1 divided by N1 square minus 1 divided by N2 square, where R is Rydberg constant, N1 is the ground state energy level and N2 is the excited state energy level. See, now what you ask you, second line of the Balmer series, right? This is for 2 months. See, no way you don't have any data here. देखो इधर Balmer series ही पूछा है, second line of Balmer series, डाटा कुछ भी नहीं है इधर, इसलिए क्या करना, from your theory knowledge, that's why I told you in the emission spectrum of hydrogen atom, if N1 is 1, Lyman series, N1 is 2, Balmer series. So accordingly, for Balmer series, what is N1? N1 is 2 and N2 are respectively, excited state energy levels are 3, right, 4, 5 up to infinity. Now what they are asking you, that means now here N1 value is 2 and N2 value, second line, this is first line, this is second line, this is third. Okay, first, okay, this is second and this is third. They asked you second line, so N2 value you have to take it as what, 4 here, right? And Rydberg constant value you already know, it is 1.09678 into 10 raised to 7 per meter. That is per meters, right? So like this, if we take these particular values, or 1.09678 can be taken as round off to 1.097, right? And up to 4 decimal, if you take it as 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter, you can easily calculate that is the value of, that is nu bar. Okay. Substituting the values, notice the value of R 1.097 into 10 raised to 7, right? 1 by n1 square, that is 2 square, 1 by n2 square, that is 4 square, right? So 1.097 into 10 raised to 7, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. So taking a that is LCM here, this will be 4 4s are 4 and this will be minus 1. 4 minus 1 by 16, once again 1.097 into 10 raised to 7. Finally 1.097 into 3 divided by 16 into 10 raised to 7. Right? Upon solving this, you will get 0.2056 into 10 to the power 7, or finally 2.056 into 10 to the power 6. This is what is wave number per meter. Okay. Right. This is very important for especially 2 marks. Like this, here you can expect this for 2 marks. If they ask a wave number, then accordingly please remember this Rydberg equation, that is mu bar is equal to 1 over lambda, or 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by n1 square 1 by n2 square. Right? See, they may ask you not only Balmer series, they may ask you in any Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Pund series. Okay. So here in this particular problem, what they asked you in the spectral name, Balmer series. And I told you in Balmer series, if electron jump from infinity level to energy level number 2, that's why ground state energy level 2. Higher excited energy levels are correspondingly 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Right? Okay. Then see here students, they asked you second line of the Balmer series. So here this is first line, 3, transition 3 is first line, 4 is second line, and if they ask you third line means you have to take n2 value 5. Since they asked here in the problem second line, therefore it is 4. Okay. And this is up to the third decimal point 1.09678, or you can also take 1.097 into 10 raised to 7. You will get substituting, making one time terms one side and solving, you will get 2.056 into 10 to the power 6 per meter, because wavelength is in meter and wave number is reciprocal of the wavelength. That's why it is 2.056 into 10 raised to 6 per meter. Right? So this is about calculating what wave number of the second line in the Balmer series of the hydrogen spectrum of an atom. Like this, if they ask you, suppose for example Lyman series, then what you have to do, sir? Simple. For Lyman series, n1 is 1, n2 is correspondingly 2, 3, 4. If they ask you first line, n2 value you have to take 2, second line 3, third line 4, like that. So basically they will ask you this only, that is Balmer series. Okay. So students, please try to remember this formula and value of R. Okay. Right. 99% R value will be given, only N1 and N2 have to take, that's important. If you take those and calculate and do the mathematical calculation correctly, you will get the full marks. Right. So that's about the first problem on spectral lines, hydrogen spectrum of an atom. Even they may also ask you for hydrogen like ions like He+, Li2+, and Be3+, that is lithium ion, and even that is lithium dipositive ion, helium+, He+, okay, and even Be3+, beryllium tripositive ion. Right? In that case, just you have to multiply this by Z square, that is its atomic number. That's it. R into Z square, 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. If it is what? Hydrogen like ions. Hydrogen like ions. As I told you, because Bohr's model is applicable only for uni-electron system. That means elements containing only one electron. Okay. Right. Now moving on to the next another two problems on this. Now this time I calculated what? Wave number. Now we'll go for next wavelength, one step more. How to calculate the wavelength? What is the wavelength of the light emitted when one electron in the hydrogen jump from energy level number 4 to energy level number 2? Let us see the next one. I think students have noted down this form, that is problem. Now let us move on to the second numerical on this particular formula, that is Rydberg equation. Okay. See here. What is the wavelength of light? The question is, what is the wavelength of light? Okay, what is the wavelength of light emitted when an electron in hydrogen jumps from n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2. n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2. n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2. Okay. Given once again R value 1.097 into 10 to the power 7 per meter. Okay, per meter. Right. Okay, students, so once again see, this time you have to calculate what? Wavelength. Last time what you calculated? Wave number. One step extra. First, you have to calculate wavelength, you have to depend on wave number. If you calculate wave number, take it reciprocal, that will become wavelength. Simple. Right? So, once again solution. Solution is mu bar is equal to 1 over lambda is equal to R into 1 by n1 square 1 by n2 square. Okay? Right. Now already they have given you the values. So what is n1? Ground state energy level is 2. What is n2? That is 4. See, emitted jumps from higher to lower. Higher is 4, that is n2 is 4. Lower is 2, that is ground state is 2. Right? Okay. Now R value already given 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter. Now substitute the values. Say here 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 1 by n1 square, that is 2 square, minus 1 by n2 square, that is 4 square. So 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 1 by 4, 2 square is 4, 1 by 16, 4 square is 16. Take LCM as usual once again. 1.097 into 10 raised to 7, LCM will be 16, this will be 4 minus 1. Okay, once again 1.097 into 3 divided by 16 into 10 raised to 7. So we will get 0.2056 into 10 to the power, that is 7, or else 2.056 into 10 to the power 6 per meter. This is what? Nu bar. Okay, nu bar, which is nothing but 1 by lambda. But what is our question, students? We have to calculate wavelength, not wave number. Wave number we have got now, right? So in continuation, lambda is 1 by mu bar, because see, wave number and wavelength, they are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore 1 divided by 2.056 into 10 to the power 6. So upon solving this, right students, you will get that is generally 1 divided by 2.056. 1 divided by 2.056. See, this here you will get exactly 4.86 into 10 raised to minus 7. Because this will get, if you take its upper side, 10 raised to minus 6. So, generally, 1 divided by 2.056. 1 divided by 2.056. 0.4863 will get. Okay, this 1 divided by 2.056. 0.4863 into 10 to the power 6, 4.863 into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, that is meter. This is the wavelength, final answer, right? Okay, that's it. This is for, see, if they ask you this will be asked for 3 marks. Up to wave number 2 marks, up to wavelength carries still 1 marks along with the units. This is for 3 marks. Okay. So, if they ask you wavelength, please remember, very simple. What they ask you, what is the wavelength of light emitted when an electron in hydrogen jumps from energy level number 4 higher orbit to energy level number 2 lower orbit? Then first you will calculate wave number as usual. It is almost like what is solved in the Balmer series. Okay, second line of the Balmer series only. Same one. You take reciprocal of that wave number, you will get the wavelength. Simple. This is for 3 marks, right? So students, see, first see, by using this wave, that's Rydberg equation. Now what we have calculated today, wave number, right? And then next now wavelength by using Rydberg equation or Rydberg formula, right? Okay. Now another one step, if you continue, see, now what we have calculated, wave, first wave number, nu bar. Now second step, wavelength. If you go further, if they ask you frequency, still one more step you have to go. If they ask you regarding frequency, you have to follow the same method. First wave number, wavelength, then wave frequency, right? If they ask you wave frequency, please remember student, that will be for 4 marks, right? So let us move on to the next numerical. So that type only I will go into solve here, right? See, once again this is, see, wavelength. If they ask you, first you calculate wave number as usual, okay, and then take reciprocal of that wave number, you will get the wavelength. Okay, right. I think now you have understood this problem and you have taken down this one. Okay. Now without wasting the time, now let us, I will move on to the next third numerical, where we are going to calculate now what? Wave frequency. This time wave frequency. Let us go for calculating the wave frequency. See, wavelength, right? Wave number is over. Now calculating the wave frequency, right? Let us will go for next numerical. Okay. The third numerical on this particularly spectral series. Calculate the frequency of. Calculate the frequency. Calculate the frequency of the spectral line. The spectral line, okay, the spectral line when an electron jumps from, when an electron when an electron jumps from third orbit to first orbit. See, third orbit to first orbit. Third orbit to first orbit in hydrogen atom. Given once again R, value of R 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter. Right? Okay, students. Now this time we have to calculate what frequency. The first we have calculated wave number. Then second step wave length. Now this time it's wave frequency. And this will be a total full 4 marks question. Let us see step one by one. Please student, in the first we will calculate wave number. Nu bar is equal to 1 over lambda is equal to R into 1 by n1 square, 1 by n2 square. Okay. See, now already I have given you third orbit to the first orbit. So n1 is 1, n2 is correspondingly, n1 is 1, n2 is 3. Okay. Right now R value 1.097 into 10 to the power 7, 1 by 1 square, 1 by, that is 3 square. Okay. So 1.097 into 10 to the power 7, 1 by 1, 1 by 9. So LCM will be 1.097 into 10 to the power 7, right? 9 minus 1. So 1.097 into 8 by 9 into 10 to the power plus 7. When you solve this generally, you will get that is wave number, that is 1.0257. See, this one 1.097. 1.097 into 8, okay, divided by 9, 0.9751. See what we'll get? 0.9751 into 10 to the power plus 7, or 9.751 into 10 to the power plus 6. That is what wave number, nu bar. Now second step, what are to calculate? Wavelengths. You know that lambda is the reciprocal of mu bar, right? Okay. So 1 by 9.751 into 10 to the power 6. So 1 divided by 9.751, right, into 10 to the power minus 6. If you take upper side, so 1 divided by 9.751. 1 divided by 9.751. 0.1025. What you will get? 0.1025. 0.1025 into 10 raised to minus 6, or 1.025 into 10 raised to minus 7, that is meter. This is lambda, wavelengths. Okay, second step. Right now, lastly, third, frequency. This is our main aim. To calculate frequency, you have to depend on C is equal to mu lambda. Mu is equal to C by lambda. So velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second, and wavelength what you got? 1.025 into 10 raised to minus 7. So 3 divided by 1.025 into 10 to the power 8, if you take upper side, it will become plus 7, right? So 3 divided by 1.0297, we will get 2.9248. 2.9248 into 10 to the power 15. Okay, that is hertz. This is final frequency of the spectral line when an electron jumps from third orbit to the first orbit. Okay, that is 2.9248 into 10 to the power 15 hertz or cycles per second. Right. Like this, see of spectral series, they may ask you any series. It may be Lyman series, or it may be Balmer series, it may be Paston series, it may be Brackett series, or it may be Fund series. Right, students? Okay, so see all the varieties. We have covered. See, first, how to calculate wave number, I told you in the first numerical. Second, how to calculate the wavelength, right? And then third one, how to calculate that is the frequency. If they ask you frequency, stepwise you have to go like this only for 3 steps. For first wave number 2 marks, if they ask you wavelength 3 marks, and if they ask you frequency, that will be for total 4 marks question. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the wave number, the wave frequency, and even the wavelength of the spectral series using Rydberg equation. That's why I told you the merit of the Bohr's model is, with the help of Bohr's model, so I told you the merits, we can calculate what? The wave number, nu bar, wave frequency, nu, and wavelength, that is lambda, right? By using Rydberg equation like this. These are the numerical, students. Okay? Right. Now, suppose if we go for next another variety in this problem only, right? I think now we have completed this. I think and you understood this problem also. That is third numerical, how to calculate the frequency. Right? Now, without wasting your time, let us will move on to next another numerical. In next numerical, suppose 2 more problems on another varieties in the structure of atom. Right. Until now we have calculated wave number, wave frequency, and wave velocity. Right, students? Let us move on to still more another problems. Next numerical, Vividh Bharati. Vividh Bharati station. Okay, broadcasts on a frequency of 1368 kilohertz. Calculate wavelengths. Calculate lambda, or calculate wavelength of this that is frequency that is broadcasted by the Vividh Bharati, that is radio station. Generally, we will came across a program in radio that is from Vividh Bharati that will broadcast on the frequency of how much? 1368 kilohertz. For that they are asking you lambda, how to calculate the wavelength. See here. Solution. So what is given here? Frequency. Frequency means nu. How much it is? 1368 kilohertz. Convert into hertz. 1368 into 10 to the power plus 3 hertz. Right. Now what is our aim? Our aim is to calculate wavelength, that is lambda. Okay, but you know the formula, C is equal to nu lambda. Our aim is to calculate lambda wavelength, that is C by nu. So velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 and frequency 1368 into 10 to the power 3, that is hertz. On solving what you will get? 3 by 1368 into 10 to the power 8 minus 3. Upon solving you will get 0.00219 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5. So further multiplying this, okay, 2.192 multiplied by this 10 to the power 5. 2.192 into 10 raised to minus 3, right? And this will be 10 to the power plus 5. 2.192 into 10 to the power plus 2 will be 219.2. That is wavelength meters. 219 point, that is 29. Sorry. 219.29. meters. This is how, see, you can calculate even simple problems for 2 marks. Right? If the frequency is given, we can easily calculate the even wavelength by using formula C is equal to nu lambda. Because I already told you, the wavelength, the wave frequency and the wave velocity, they are related as C is equal to nu lambda. Right? Yeah, this is another numerical for especially calculating that is frequency. Right? So students, see, we have solved 3 varieties. First, an energy of photon, then de Broglie wavelength, right? Then now today, very importantly, one definite question from spectral series. How to calculate wave number, wavelength, and even wave frequency also I told you. And if they ask you longest wavelength, shortest wavelength, what is the value of N1 and N2 should be taken? That is also I made you very clear, right? Okay. Now let us moving on to the still more varieties, another problems in this particular, that is chapter. Okay. Already we have solved some problem on de Broglie wavelengths. Some more another variety. Just I will write the questions and accordingly we will solve it. Okay. Suppose if they ask you find the de Broglie, once again see de Broglie wavelengths. De Broglie wavelength of an electron. De Broglie wavelength of an electron with 1% speed. With 1% speed of light. 1% speed of light they have given it. Now to calculate de Broglie wavelength. Simple students, solution. You know that de Broglie wavelength is given by lambda is equal to h by m into c, right? H is Planck's constant, as usual. You have to take same value 6.627 into 10 raised to minus 34 J/s joules into second, right? Mass of electron 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. If they are not given, you have to take that standard only, right? And the velocity, this is important here. 1% speed of light. 1% means 1 by 100 into 3 into 10 to the power 8. That is velocity of light in vacuum. So upon solving this, you will get 3 into 10 to the power 8 minus 2. 10 to the power plus 2 will become minus 2. Therefore, we will get 3 into 10 to the power 6 plus 6 meters per second. This is only important here. When you substitute here, lambda is equal to h is 6.627 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by mass 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 3 into 10 to the power 6, right? So upon solving, so you will get 6.627 by 9.1 into 3, and like terms all one side, 10 raised to minus 34 plus 31 and minus 6. So upon solving this you will get 0.2427 into 10 raised to minus 9. So final upon simplification 2.427 into 10 raised to minus 10 meters. So this is the de Broglie wavelength. So approximately 2.43 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter or angstroms. So that is the final answer for what? That is de Broglie wavelength with traveling with the speed of 1% speed of light. Okay. So like this, students, see in the today's class, see what we have learned. Continuation of the yesterday's problems. What is that? We have learned to calculate how to calculate wave number nu bar, right? Then wavelength lambda, then frequency nu, especially on spectral series using spectral, that is what, Rydberg equation, for Rydberg equation, right? That means the wave frequency, the wavelength, the wave number of the spectral series can be calculated by using the Rydberg equation, that is nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Compulsory one problem. Please students try to solve still more problems from the NCERT textbook, right? Okay. Now next I also told you another two varieties. What are those? Now just now we have solved, that is how to calculate frequency when wavelength is given for a radiations, and even now lastly another one variety on this de Broglie wavelength. If they given you in terms of percentage of the light, then solve them, okay, then accordingly substitute and get the result. So this is the last, that is what today we will stop here, and tomorrow also we will continue with the numericals only, still more some numericals, especially on Heisenberg uncertainty principle. That means now we have completed problems, numericals on what? Energy of photon, right? After energy of photon, still more what we have calculated, that de Broglie wavelength, and this is a variety, and wavelength, wave number, wave frequency on spectral series. Okay. So tomorrow once again I will make you all brush up and we will complete the problems. The tomorrow session will be once again one more class purely on for the problems on Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Okay. So thank you.